Subscribe to my channel and click the ring button to receive videos from me on philosophy, motivation, and self-development every Sundays and Thursdays. Each and every one of us has something we are dying to achieve in this life or beyond. I have some, so do you. But the ups and downs of life, the noises around us, divert us from the path we need to take in achieving these goals. Listen and listen carefully to what I have to say, as I am listening to myself also, because I am the first person I am addressing with this message. Nothing is impossible in life if you put your mind set to it, and no one else can achieve whatever has been destined to you other than you. So first and foremost, know what you want and repeat it to yourself as much as you can. Because one of the best ways to make something, an idea, a dream come to life, to being, is to constantly repeat it to yourself so that it can rewire your brain to work towards it. It will create the belief in you that you must achieve this goal no matter what. There's no way around it, no other option. And that is exactly what you need. Focus and determination through repetition. See how the media industries work. They constantly bombard you with information again and again until you start to believe them with no plausible evidence. Why don't you use the same science to build a better life for yourself? Stop sitting around and looking for excuses. There will always be something that will prevent you from doing what you're supposed to be doing. There will always be something that will eat away your time. And in the end, you say you do not have time. You have time. Time is all you have. So it is not a matter of time, it is a matter of priorities. How important is it to you? Is your goal so important that you will do anything at all to achieve it? Take action, a step at a time. For each step you take brings you closer to your destination. Do you know where you are going? Can you identify your destination in life, in this world or beyond? For if you open your front door and you start to walk without a destination in the depth of your mind, you will end up trekking the street like a lost lunatic. Know where you are going, identify your final objective, and make sure that you set many goals that will take you to that objective. Daily goals, weekly goals, monthly goals, yearly goals, a step at a time. For each step you take brings you closer to your destination. And if you fail at one goal, try again. You fail again, try again. For the only way you can truly fail is when you quit. Do not quit. If you quit, then it is sure that the game is lost. If you do not quit, then there is still hope. And hope and optimism are the two sides of your success coins. Do not be afraid to fail. For failure is one of the sacrifices that your goal requires. Do not allow it to dismantle your courage. Do not allow it to execute your objective in your goals. Fail big and learn from your failure. Discipline is the most precious entity that is needed to do something worthy of mentioning. You must discipline yourself and stop sticking around in your comfort zone. Tell me, how will you get to the end of your goal if you spend 5, 6, 7 hours a day on social media and watching TV shows? Tell me, how will that goal be achieved if you're constantly stealing from the time that is supposed to be used to work on it? Discipline yourself. Parent yourself. Stop waiting to be motivated. You will never be motivated to do things that lead to your success. You will be motivated to play games. You will be motivated to check on your Facebooks and Snapchats and Instagrams. You will be motivated to watch TV shows and play around with friends. What you will not be motivated to do is to change your life for better. To struggle against your caprice in disciplining yourself so that you can be at the driver's seat of your path to success. Every success requires that you pull yourself out of your comfort zone, that you somehow reject immediate gratification, that you work hard, that you believe, that you're patient, and that you discipline yourself to do all of these. Lastly, involve yourself in constant prayers, for nothing goes on the surface of the planet without the permission of the Almighty. Ask for His help and believe in Him. Do not think that the prayer is enough without putting the work, and do not think that the work alone is enough without His divine intervention. The two work hand in hand. Pray by working hard and work while praying. This is the code. Now to summarize, determination, commitment, and prayer. In my opinion, these are the keys you need to achieve whatever it is your heart desire. So get up now. No one is going to do the work for you. It is your job to do it yourself. Get up and put the fear behind you. Get up and let yourself be hungrier than before. You will definitely get there. You will definitely get there. Thank you so much for sticking around with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so. I post videos on philosophy, motivation, and self-development every Sundays and Thursdays. I also do giveaways of my book, Intrinsic Awareness, which, by the way, you can find on paperback and Kindle at your local Amazon website. It's a compilation of poems, dialogues, and texts of reflections on diverse topic. You're gonna like it. Intrinsic Awareness. Today I'm going to be announcing two giveaway winners. The first one for reaching 200 subscribers, and I thank every one of you who have been supporting from the beginning, or liking my videos and sharing my videos and subscribing. Thank you so much. So I'm going to be announcing a giveaway winner, as I mentioned the other time when I announced the 50 subscribers giveaway winner. So I'm also going to be announcing another winner for the most active member of my channel in the month of February. So the one who generates the most of activities. I think I should start with that. So that should be Blood Quests. I hope you're watching this, Blood Quest. So you have just won my book, Intrinsic Awareness. I'm going to get in contact with you, so I'm going to get your information. So thank you so much for watching one Blood Quest. I hope this relationship go far than this. So concerning the second winner, upon reaching 200 subscribers, I'm going to pick a name out of this random name, and the one I pick will be the winner. So let's check this out. This is Rahul Subhash. So Rahul Subhash, you are the winner of my book, basically. So congratulations, and I hope this relationship goes far than this. Thank you so much, everyone. You can also be a winner for the next giveaway, and that will be upon reaching 500 subscribers. I'm going to be doing another giveaway. So make sure you share my channel, you talk to your friends about it, and you comment and you like my videos. That will be very, very helpful for me. So it's a way of knowing that I'm improving, basically. Also, if you have an idea of something I should be talking about, make sure you put it in the comment section. I will greatly appreciate that. Thank you so much. Razul here. Peace.